Hi, I'm Simon from the Red Ferret, and before we start this video, I want to ask you to subscribe to stay updated on the latest, greatest, most awesome content on the space of YouTube. Let's get cracking with the video. Alright, if you enjoy yourself some cool mechanical keyboards, then you will probably enjoy this video, because this is the Aukey 88 key mechanical keyboard, full mechanical keyboard from Aukey. It's cheap, and let's check out if it's cool. So it comes in a pretty standard package, nothing too fancy, nothing too special. We have the user manual, yep, and we have a 24-month warranty product. Ooh, would you just look at this? Wow, wow. So we have cable management, as you can see. I have actually, this is probably to take the keys out. Yeah, I'm not going to try that because I'll probably destroy it, but that's for the keys, I'm guessing. So let's just check out this beauty first. As you can see, how high are these keys? Wow. Oh no, I'm typing. No. Can you just listen to this sound? That's a mechanical keyboard for you. So almost all the keys work on Mac. Some of course have a different usage because this is a Windows layout, as you can see over here as well, because of the Windows logo on the bottom. But this keyboard looks very slick. It also has some feet to put it a bit more upright, as you can see, and the key travel is pretty long, as you can hear, and it responds immediately, as I was expecting as well. I'm just going to show you my screen so you can see that. So let's type a bit. Yeah, what can I say? This is pretty cheap and it just looks awesome. If you put this on your desk, of course you have that cable, which can be a bit annoying in my opinion. Cables, I don't really like cables, but hey, it's a cool keyboard and it's something to put stationary on your desk. And the keys just, they come so high out of the keyboard and they just look awesome. Yeah, you have all those expensive keyboards which have fancy LED lights and all that stuff. This is just a blacked out, black-white keyboard with mechanical keys, and it's just awesome. It's a must-have, really, if you're a bit old school, if you're a bit want to have that tactile feeling, that tactile sound. Ooh, that sounds good, yeah. Right, if you have any questions regarding this Aukey keyboard, let them know in the comment section down below, and I'll be very glad to answer them. I hope you enjoyed this video. If you did, leave a like down below. If you didn't, leave a dislike and tell us why, so we can improve our videos. And hope I'll see you, yes, you who's watching this behind your phone or behind your computer screen, I don't know, in our next video. Bye bye.